Hi everybody, it is Tuesday, April 21st. Today is a learning support day. So you have time to look back over your assignments, make sure you have completed everything, make sure you've submitted everything up until now. We had a retake early on that test for chapters 1 through 10. Make sure you've done that. We made some notes in PowerSchool. If you need to retake that, it should be in there. So make sure you get those things taken care of today. And at 2 o'clock, we will have our Google Meet session. So if you go into today's assignment, you can see there is our Google Meet link. Okay, so you can come back at 2 p.m. and click on that and join us for a quick little discussion, Q&A session. If you have any questions about the story or anything for that matter, if you're having issues with things downloading, and also you'll need to post to the discussion question that we have on Tuesdays for the Learning Support Day. Okay? Let us know if you have any questions prior to the Google Meet. Otherwise, we hope to see you then. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.